Hello there mga katets and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! So today we're going to cook again mga katets! Yahoo! So we're going to cook beef sirloin. So we'll start cooking. Let's go. Malilate ka? Oh yes! Our manager of Vice Comedy Club. Palakpakan naman dyan, Purvis. Oh!
Grabe talaga, singit pa ba yung ano ko pagpasok ko dahil?
Yes, talaga dahil. Alam mo na. Naka-ready na yung kotse ni Miss Boo. O, lalabas na siya. Tapos nakita ko siya yung silip. Nandun pa siya sa loob.
Hindi, maaga pa kasi pero may meeting kasi kami. Kaya...
Oh, ganon. May meeting for the...
Mancom, para mapag-aralan, mapag-usapan ko anong mga naging flaws, kulang nung ating first week of soft opening.
Yes. So, ganon niya para fine-tuning, ika nga, di ba?
Yes.
So, we need that. Since soft opening pala kami, ang tabayaran niya pa because we're going to announce, well, hopefully soon, yung grand opening ng Vice Comedy Club. So,
correct.
dyan lang po kayo. For you guys to know, update kayo sa bawat ganap mo, mga performers, lahat-lahat, please check our page sa Facebook, Vice Comedy Club, and also on Instagram.
And TikTok. Meron din tayong TikTok.
On TikTok, yes.
Yes.
Mas marami pa silang followers sa akin. So, papasok na si Miss O. Let's
Yes.
bring her to her...
Nakaka-test. Papasok na
to her
ako.
carriage.
Bye!
The Lady Oli. This is so adorable, beautiful. This is adorable. Balita ko naliligo siya ng waiter, ma.
Wala! Yung junganganes.
Ayan, ready na siya, oh. Kasi after ni Ate Orly, kaya yung mga ganyan kaming damit, why do we bring extra clothes?
Para pamalit, just in case mababasa or...
Huwag ka mababasa, eh, may aircon doon. Lamig-lamig ng dress.
sa ulan.
Ha?
Okay, matapunan ng pagkain, di ba?
Eh, pag natapunan ng lawan sa baby. Shit, nabasa! Papasok na siya. Oh, ibukas yung gate para kay Miss O. Totorot, toto! Bye, Miss O! Bye-bye! See you! Okay guys, let's start cooking. Pagtitira na lang kita. Malamang pagtitira ko si Miss O kasi hindi ko machichibog lahat yun. Baka yun eh. Tara, luto na tayo. Ano?
Yay! Bukas!
Ano?
Tuloy na!
Ang alin?
Punta ako ng comedy, Vice Comedy Club!
Ilang beses na napupurnado yung punta ni Ate Rona. Excited na siya. The other night, she cried kasi nakacancel yung punta niya. Kala ko tumiiyak. Pupunta dapat ako ng Vice Comedy Club. So tomorrow, pupunta na siya. Halika na, magluluto na tayo. So ayan mga katets, we're here at our Happy Auxiliary Kitchen. Ganon. So here are our ingredients for our sirloin steak with mashed potato. Yan. I'm going to use 2 kilo ng sirloin. Ito po yan, to na yan lahat-lahat ready. So ito yung ating main protein. And then of course, we need carbohydrates. Patatas. Nakasok na yan para hindi siya mag-darken. Although okay na naman mag-darken kasi imamash naman din yan. So, we have of course garlic, onions. Ito yung aroma, yung flavor, yung parang malapit na siya sa puso ng sibuyas. Ito, na... Oh my gosh, na-miss ko si Jason. After ng basketball game, oh. I miss you, babe. Galit na naman yun. Hoy, nagjo-jodoran ako. So, garlic, onions, spring onions, parsley, onion rings, cornstarch or all-purpose flour, cheese and butter for our mashed potato, and milk. Yes, shout out naman dyan sa Magnolia and dairy cream. Yes, all from Magnolia. And then, oh, nagkataon. Bikini man, Magnolia. You could just slip a DM or just call me. Message me, you know. I could always work with you guys. We have, of course, soy sauce, Kikoman, olive oil, paprika. So, let's start cooking. Ito, nagpapainit na po ako ng tubig kasi maliligo po tayo. Pagbo-boil tayo ng patatas habang nagluluto na tayo ng meat. And guess what? Sobrang bilis ko, sobrang galing kong magluto. I'm sure you agree with me. Here's the finished product. What? Menudo. So, we're going to turn on the heat fire heat. Sarap. Ayan. So good vibes lang po tayo. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo guys ha, ulit. Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi kasi hindi naman ako mahihiyang mag-invite sa inyo to come and visit us at Vice Comedy Club. So let's wait for this to heat. Okay, so mainit na po. So we have to put our olive oil and then butter. I'm gonna use a generous amount. Alam niyo naman, diba? Saka mas masarap yan. Parang rekta. Charot. In goes our beef. And then that's it. We'll wait for it to cook. Kasi mamaya hanguin natin yan. Pag yung almost paluto na siya. Kasi we're gonna cook our onion ring. And then after that, once it's cooked, alis natin sa onion. So balik siya ulit doon. Basta ganun lang. Pahirapan lang to. Okay, pero masarap. Okay, bye! Jay, doon ka nga. Ito nakakain. Akin na yan, pahirap. Papakita kita. Oh. Say hi.
안녕하세요.
Ay, oh, kuri-kuri yung shooter ko. Andiyan pala kayo. So our water's boiling. Tinry ko yung beef. It's a little tough pa. Hihiwain na natin to quarters yung ating patatas. So it'll cook much faster. While waiting for our beef, pag naluto na tong patatas, we're gonna do our mashed potato. Ano mo pangarap ko talaga yung yung master chef. Pero baka matalakan ako ni Gordon Ramsay. Anong oras na? Di ba ako tapos magluluto? Siguro matataranta ako pag yung may mga only have 60 minutes. 60 minutes mukha mo. And let's just wait for this to boil and then we're gonna start mashing these babies. Ka naman dyan, teta. Dami mong alam. Okay, guys. As you can see, my patience is wearing off. Charot. Ito na po. Ayan. Kasi kanina, syempre may water. So, kailangan mo siyang pakuluin talaga. Bukod sa malambot na yung part ng baka na yun. Para mas masarap siya, mas malambot. So, we're just gonna wait for this na... Anong term na ginagamit nila doon? Parang matuyo. To reduce. Yes. Okay, kung nakita niyo po yun, yung... Bigla ko nawala sa frame. Kasi yung ilaw ni Jai, nahulog, nabitawan niya. Kapaka, nagulat ako, kala ko ano yung bumagsak, kala ko yung exhaust. So anyways, I'm just waiting for my meat. Itong yung sabaw niya para mag-reduce. Plus more cooking time for the beef to become really tender. My potatoes ready. Nakita niyo naman, meron ako upuan dito. Dito na ako nagtitelepono. Kasi inaabangan ko itong lintik na ito na lumambot. So nauna na naluto, ito na po yung ating patatas. So, ito na po yung patatas ko. Ready na po siya. Wala ko yung pang ganun. Baka pwede niyo ako regaluhan. Or nakakaligtaan ko lang bumili ng pang mas. So, we're gonna do it here. Habang mainit, ilalagay na natin si butter. I'm going to put my cheese. And then, just a little bit of salt. That's pamintang durog. Tapos, we'll just add milk later. Okay guys, this is almost cooked. Actually, it's already cooked. Malambot na siya. We'll just wait for this to caramelize. And then we're gonna cook this again. Now, okay na siya. We'll have to remove it from the heat. We're gonna use the same pan to cook our onions. And goes the onions. The aroma of the onion is so wonderful. Oh, sige pa. Sige mo na mi. Italian, we're gonna give French. Guys, if you're going to ask me how to cook this, just watch the video siguro like few times to get it because it's there naman. Wala naman akong tinagong procedure sa inyo. Wala naman nag-continue working out it. You know? Yes! I promise, masakit siya sa aking kilid. Kung gusto niyo mag-mash potato, yung mga anak niyo patulong niyo. Pagawa. I guess I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. So my onion. We'll just wait for this to caramelize. If not the best mashed potato, it's the best mashed potato. Okay na tayo sa mashed potato. We'll put this aside and we're gonna continue cooking the meat. Okay guys, I'm good. The onions are good. So, another put this aside. Just when you think it's over, it ain't over because it's getting better and better and hotter and hotter. Ito na po yung onions. We have to put back yung meat doon. So we need to cook it again. This time with garlic. And of course, can't do without my butter. Same pan, onions. At uwi na yung mga anak ko galing school. Okay, it's time to season. Because it's the season to be jolly. Charot. Let's add salt. Pepper. And we add paprika. We're gonna put some mustard. And soy sauce. Okay, now para mag-thicken siya, we're going to add a little bit of slurry. Then for it to have a little sauce, we're gonna add water. Make some noise. Baka to, pero matapang ako.
Baka di ka makalakad dyan.
Wow! Galing mo naman, Rona. Tatampalin kita, Rona.
Sarap.
Guys, ito na po. Nabalik ko na po yung sibuyas sa palengke. So this is it. Hintahimik lang ako. Iniisip ko kung paano ko magtatrabaho, paano ko maglalakad, kung pilay ako dahil sa baka. So this is what we're going to put dun sa ibabaw ng ating mashed potatoes. So let's just wait and see kung makakalakad ako after. Mashed potatoes good. So once this is ready, parang quick boil lang. Magpiplating na tayo. Tapos kakain na tayo, guys. Lord, please bless my gown.
Masarap yan. Amoy pa lang.
Hoy, ibibenta natin ito, hindi natin kakainin to. Guys, I'm sorry, my fault. I forgot to put yung parsley. At saka yung, kasi gutom na din ako. Tsaka yung spring onion. Your mother. Sinong mama mo? Yan. Konti na lang. We'll just reduce that in a while and then we're gonna eat. Okay guys, wala na siya sa heat. Nandiyan naririnig niya na sila nagkakahulan. Alam na nila ito yung dinner nila. Social. Ito na. Ito naman mga to sabay. Ay. Tapos nahulog. Anong gagawin mo? Wang. Now it's time for us to make ligpit and then we're gonna eat. Halika na! Okay, mga kadets, yes! Finally, mashed potato and my sirloin steak with asyempre na karabi shirara. So let's do plating. Ay! Gusto ko yung parang pang restaurant. First time to try lang. And then, eto ha. Tayo na lang ha. Bahala na ha. Pag nakita nyo kung ika-ika sa mga ibang videos ko or sa stories ko, just pray for it. Yan naman ah! Yee! Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud. Guys, while I'm eating, I'm praying at the same time. Normally guys, when I go mashed potato ko, salt, pepper, butter. This time, it's really different. It's mas masarap siya with cheese and milk. Promise. Guys, I swear, it's really good. Lahat na niluluto ko, siguro sa 10, yung iba doon, saks lang yung, ay okay, masarap siya, yung curry. Pero this one, since it's my first time to try this, it's really good. Yung sobrang sarap, gusto mo siyang itabi sa pagtulog. Guys, ay, sorry nandun pala kayo. I hope you like my vlog, my cooking vlog. Since you missed me inside the kitchen. So ito po yun. Nakita nyo po lahat ng ginamit ko na ingredients, how I cooked it, yung procedure lahat, pati sa mashed potato ko. I hope you guys could try this because it's really good. Promise, ang sarap. Yung pwede mo siyang ihanda pag yung medyo gusto mo nga, pero gusto mong not the typical kanin ulam night. You do this. Pag may mga celebration, may graduate, whatever anniversary, gano'n, may birthday. Gawin niyo po to. Kulang na lang ng wine, kaya lang wala na akong wine na nainom ko na siya sa Vice Comedy Club. Anyways, I will continue this, guys. I will enjoy my cooking. Hope you like this one. Thank you so much, guys. Please be more loving and caring every day. And pray for me kasi pinipitik-pitik ko na yung pinipitik-pitik ko na yung pa ako eh. Huwag naman sana. Hari nawa. So, enjoy your food and be kind. So, no to bashing, please. Let's just be happy na every day. Till my next one, thank you so much, guys. Love, love, love. I'm sorry pero hindi ko mag-uwi. This is all for me. Charot! Bye, guys!